Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sync Govee lights with your TV. The first step is to attach the LED strip to the back of your TV. Carefully follow the edges of the television and make sure the strip is securely attached. Take your time during this step because proper placement helps create a better lighting effect around the screen. Next, mount the camera on your TV. Depending on your model, the camera may be designed to sit on the top or the bottom of the screen. Place it in the center position so it can accurately read the colors being displayed. After mounting the camera, open the Govee Home app on your smartphone. The app is available for both iPhone and Android devices. Before calibration, place the orange foam blocks included with the kit on the corners of your TV screen. These markers help the system identify the screen boundaries correctly. Follow the instructions shown in the app to calibrate the camera. During this process, you will map the edges of your screen so the lighting can accurately respond to what appears on the display. Once calibration is complete, select your Govee backlight device in the app and choose video mode. This mode allows the lights to react instantly to the colors on your screen, creating a more immersive viewing experience. Your Govee lights are now synced with your TV and ready to use. Thanks for watching.